Good evening. I'm here on behalf of Her Majesty's government to contradict the rumor that an elephant has been spotted anywhere in the vicinity of this song. It's absolutely untrue, there's no need to panic, and Her Majesty advises that we all think of worms.
Somebody calling from the zoo, something about some elephant that's got loose on this song. I don't know. It's not supposed to be a song about elephants, it's about worms. Don't call me anymore.
Think of things that squirm, think of squishy things, of iggly, piggly, wiggly things, think of worms.
Think of worms.
Think of things that fly, think of gliding things, of sailing, soaring, singing things, think of birds.
You've got the wrong number.
Think of birds.
There are no elephants in this song.
Think of things that swim, think of fishy things, of flippy, floppy, flappy things, think of fish.
Think of fish.
Think of fish. Think of things that roar, think of furry things, of prancing, prowling, purry things, think of cats.
Think of cats.
Think of cats. Think of things with stripes, think of stripy things, of stripy, stripy, stripy things, think of zebras.
An elephant?
No, 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 no.
Think of worms.
No, 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 no.
Think of worms.
Margaret, get on the phone and call the RSPCA. There's an elephant loose in this song. An elephant. It's supposed to be about worms.
Think of things that squirm and other things you've heard, of iggly, piggly, wiggly things, of sailing, soaring, singing things, of flippy, floppy, flapping things, of prancing, prowling, purring things, of stripy, stripy, stripy things, of iggly, piggly, wiggly things. Think of worms. Think of birds. Think of fish. Think of cats. Stripy zebras and think of worms.
What do you mean look outside the window? Oh my goodness.
Think of worms. Think of worms. Think of things that squirm. Think of squishy things, of iggly, piggly, wiggly things. Think of worms.
Think of worms. Think of worms. Think of worms. Think of worms. Think of worms.
Think of worms.
Oh, this is not funny.
No, 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 no.